What's going on, guys? So today's video, I am putting 1.5" hub-centric wheel spacers on the truck. These are the Mammoth brand from American Trucks. They've got really good reviews. And I know everybody's like, oh, just buy wheels with proper offset. Well, I actually really like these stock wheels, and I've run spacers in the past, and as long as you torque them, use a little bit of Loctite on the threads, should be just fine. So, sorry about the dog barking in the background. It's like killing me. I don't know what the deal is, but it's a nice day, whatever. So, this is what it looks like, 1.5 inches. You can go ahead and measure that with yourself. Just kidding. So, I'll show you. I got one done. I just kind of wanted to zip one on there, make sure everything fit. And I'll kind of show you the difference between spacer and not. So, it's going to make these wheels nice and flush. So you can see these factory wheels are set back in there pretty good. And that's with the spacer on. So it's nice and flush, gives it a nice aggressive look. Now, the only thing I'm worried about is rubbing on the crash bars now. So we'll have to see about that. But yeah, so I think they're gonna look really good. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the camera, make sure the truck's in a good spot, and we'll zip on this passenger one. Sit tight. All right, so we got this jacked up. Just go ahead and imagine a jack stand underneath there. You guys know how to do that, right? I mean, I've got them sitting right there, but I'm lazy, whatever. I'm not going under the truck, so. Freaking dog is literally grinding my gears. All right. So one thing I'll show you on these stock wheels, if you went with a smaller spacer, like 1.25 inches or something like that, they have grooves or notches in the back of the wheel, so you wouldn't have to trim your lug nuts or your studs. On aftermarket wheels, you probably would, but we'll be good with these. So, and anyways, the studs don't stick out past the spacer. And I know I was joking about the jack stand. I do have a torque wrench, so we're not like half-assing everything here. Come on. I think this is the most important part. A little bit of Loctite. And the cool thing about these spacers that I got, oh shit, they actually include the Loctite. And they include just barely enough. So let me grab that spacer I was just showing you guys. And it'll go, they fit nice and snug. So I probably won't show you how to do the rear, because the rear's a little more sketchy because I've got the parking, my driveway's sloped, and I've got the parking brake on and stuff. So I'll probably move stuff around and back the truck in the garage and do the rear axle. It is nice though, because I'll just jack it up from the pumpkin, and I'll have both rear tires off the ground at the same time. If your driveway's not perfectly flat, like mine, it's not flat, I locked the differential and put it in 4-wheel drive, so I mean, you can't spin any of the wheels. It's just an extra little safety tidbit. It's like safety squints, you know. Oh, so you can go and turn the video off. So I'll zip these down with my electric impact, and then I'll hit them with the torque wrench. Yes, I know I'm using a chrome impact on there. But for the torque part, we'll use an actual impact socket. Chrome socket. You guys know what I'm talking about. Got one more to do here. I'm not counting real well today. I'm tired. Missed that one. So they're all torqued. We'll throw this wheel back on here and zip them down. And again, I'll hit these with the impact and then go back to the torque wrench. Pretty easy deal. I'm recording, babe.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Come say hi.
Okay.
You gonna be on my video?
Sure.
What are you doing?
I was coming out here to ask you a question.
What are you gonna ask me?
I was gonna ask you if it's okay if I walk to Caitlin's.
I don't know where Caitlin's is.
Caitlin's is over the neighborhood next to ours. It's a mile away.
No.
Okay.
What do you guys want to do?
Play volleyball.
Oh, is Mom still asleep? I mean, if you want to go over there, I'll drive you over there. I just don't want you walking across the street, the busy street. Love you. Kids, man. See, this is all like one take stuff. That's why you see my kids running around, my dog coming up and licking my face. I don't know where she's at. She's inside, I guess. That stupid dog barking in the background. Beautiful day out today, though. All right, so here's the sketchy part. I should have a deep well socket for this, but we'll make it work. So we'll torque these down, and then I'll move to the back, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Helps if you get the right size, huh? Go ahead and comment down below if you think it's gonna rub. It's gonna be close. Trying not to get the old plumber's crack, guys, sorry. We're gonna have to go up on that one. All right, they're torqued. So now that you guys watched my rear end for like 5 minutes, tell me if I should do an OnlyFans. Maybe we could pay off the house or get a Raptor or something. So anyways, I'm gonna flip the truck around, back it into the garage, and finish the rear, and I'll show you what they look like, and we'll see if it rubs. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. Sits perfect. Like I said, they're right flush with the, let me see if you can see the truck. I'll get you closer. They're nice and flush. I've got no rub, no vibrations, no weird things. Like I said, if you want a little stance, aftermarket wheels are usually your best bet, but I'm going for the OEM Plus truck, which shout out to OEM Plus Trucks on Facebook, one of my favorite groups right now. It's all, in my opinion, clean builds like this. If you guys have watched me before, you know that's kind of my style. I like big tires on the stock wheels, just simple things that make the trucks and vehicles better. So one thing I will say, use quality spacers, check your nuts, and I mean that in more ways than one. Loctite, torque, 150 foot-pounds is what these called for. That's for the spacers and the factory lug nuts. So I would go wash the truck today, but it's about beer 30. Thanks for checking in. Please like, subscribe, and I'll let you know when I drop that OnlyFans. That's a joke, by the way. Have a good day.